A for apple, red and sweet. B for bear with big furry feet. C for corn popping in the pan. D for deer running through the land. E for elbow, wiggle it fast. F for flag waving from the mast. G for goose honking loud and clear. L for climbing without fear. I for iron, crowd so neat. J for jar full of treats to eat. K for kernel pops to a snack. L for log rolling down the track. M for meadows everywhere. N for nutmeg spice in the air. O for ox run to a snack. P for log rolling down the track. M for meadows everywhere. N for nutmeg spice in the I'm. O for ox strong and steady too. P for pear juicy through and through. Q for quilt pack design. R for rope for swinging line. S for sock warm upon your toes. T for teacup dipping as it goes. I for yam baked until it's soft. Z for zest lemon peel aloft. Sing your apps with a happy cheer. Letters make learning crystal clear. U for iron till the sap. N for jod make spice in the air. K for apps with a hat and click. P for log rolling down the track. M for meadow flag desire. N for jod made spice in the air. K for apps with a happy tune. P for teak rolling down the track. U for quilt pack design. N for rope made spice in the air. S for sock warm upon your toes. T for teacup sipping as it goes. U for urchin spiky lid soft. Z for zest lemon peel aloft. For apps with a happy cheer. Letters make learning crystal clear. M for meadow tech design. N for nutmeg swinging line. O for apps with a happy choose.